Hi, and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. Today we're looking at a brand new style from Wille. This is Napoli, and the color is Bahama Beige Shaded. And this is part of the Modix collection. This is synthetic fiber. Look at this cute PIXIE. Out of the box, ready to go. Before we get started, let me remind you, if you'll go to the drop-down box below this video, just be sure to expand that drop-down box, and you will find a link to order this wig, information on this wig. It'll all be in the drop down box. Also, if we can assist you in any way, please reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. And also, you can live chat with the customer service department on the wigstudio1.com website during normal business hours. And one more thing, please join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. There are over like 24,000 people there. We have wonderful information there. We help each other with wigs, we show wigs, we have live broadcasts, lots of things happening in the private Facebook group. Okay, let's talk about this adorable style. First of all, let's look at this color. Bahama Beige Shaded, which is 16-22-14. Now, this is just shades of blonde. As you can see, there's ash in here, there's some neutral blonde running through here, medium blonde, all in this darker root. Wille just knows how to do a PIXIE. What I really appreciate in this PIXIE is the nape is longer. And if you have hair that grows down on your neck a little bit, this is going to really provide some good coverage. All right, I want to show you this color in some different lighting. Now this style is available and I think around 14 shades, so there's a lot of different shades to choose from. Again, we were talking about this nape, it's 2.75. That's a nice longer nape. I think that is a really good feature on this wig. The front with these little bangs is 2.5. Now you can wear these bangs straight down, or you can sweep them off to the side. The crown is 4, the sides are 2.5, super lightweight at 1.8 ounces. Now, I want to tell you about fit. This fit me very large. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference and I have pulled the adjusters all the way in, and it's still a little large. So I just want to make you aware of that. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, but this has a lace front, an extended lace front. Good coverage. Here's my bow hair here and here. But again, this ran really, really large on me. I'm just going to put this on with a little headband, which is really cute. I also would probably clip this off my face just a little, just to, you know, have something fun. If you wanted to dress it up a little, you could put a cute pin in that. I have a little bit of the sea salt spray. I'm just going to spray that on there because I like to mess my fibers up and separate them out. Easily can do that with this wig. I like it all off the face. You can wear it down, and it has a mono top so you can part it anywhere. There's no permatease in this wig. You can sweep it all over to the side, make it sleek, or mess it up, wear it more spiky just by adding a little bit of product. You see how I did that? You can really spike it up a little. It's not going to be huge because, like I said, there's no permatease here, but you can still, it has enough length here at the top that I believe you can get a little height there. Lots of different ways you can wear this hair. You can wear it towards your face. You can put it behind your ears. Lots of things you can do here. Let's look at the inside of this cap. Here's the inside of the cap. I want to make sure you see this. This has a narrow lace front, extended lace front, a double mono top. You see there's an extra layer of mesh here. You can part it anywhere within here. Now this is not a hand-tied cap. This is a wefted cap. that's been covered with this mesh. It has an extended felt nape, and as you see, I have pulled this all the way in. I believe a 22 could easily wear this wig. Closed ear tabs with stays. But you have another look at this, and let's look at Bahama Beige Shaded. So pretty with all these different shades of blonde. I really like this neutral blonde that runs through here, as well as the ash, all on a little darker root. Thanks for joining me today and having a look at this new style from Wille. If you need an out-of-the-box pixie, this might be your new hair. Again, thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time right here at Wig Studio One.